In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your staffs or your employee on the platform. So the first thing you want to do is customize your roles based on your company's based on your organization structure. So if you have VPs, you have COOs, you have operations manager, you have finance officers that are doing different things in your company, then you want to give them their appropriate permissions, not just open the system out up to everybody. So the first thing you want to do is create the roles in your organization. So for now, I'm just gonna create uh a security manager, a security staff, security guard role. That will be for like your staffs that are security guys. So uh it's your staff start doing that, and then I will assign permissions to them. So you want them to be able to see their schedules. You want them to be able to see their payroll. You don't want them to create payroll. You don't want them to create schedule. You don't want them to do any of these things. So just see their own schedule, just their own schedule, just their own payroll. You want them to see their own time of requests or leave, as well as create for themselves as well. So if you want them to be able to create time of request, you can give them access to that. If not, maybe you have an HR manager that does that, then you configure that for the HR manager. You want them to be able to read their report. So if you're using the schedule reports feature on the app, you want to give them access to read and create reports. You want them to be able to manage their availability. So they should be able to read their availability. They should be able to create. They should be able to update. They should be able to delete. But they shouldn't read everybody's availability. It's just their own. So on no occasion should you actually activate this for staffs, for working staff. So you can probably this is majorly for accountants to be able to see all payrolls in the system, to be able to see our schedule. Scheduling manager, for instance, you want them to be able to see all the schedules in the system. So that's what that is for. And yeah, but this pretty much covers everything your normal steps would need, and then you submit that. So once you've configured the roles, you can create team members. I'm just going to create a new employee. We'll call Jindo. Jindo. I'm just going to put a random email here. Although you should put a valid email because an invite link will be sent to this email to invite them into the business. Give them the security guard profile. Then once you're done, send invite. So once the invite is sent, they will get an invite. They click on it to activate their profile on your business, and they will have access to your profile. You can also make changes to their profile directly from here. You can add their employment details, their payroll details, if you have contributions or deductions, maybe you are contributing to their RSP, or maybe you are making deductions from their pay, custom deductions, you can add them from here. You can request for documents. So yeah, so yeah, you can configure this list of documents you need from the settings, from the business settings. Then when you are for each user, you can select what you want. Okay, for this particular user right now, I need their BSc certificate. I also need their medical license. If I don't know why you would need a medical license, but yeah, you can request for whatever you want from each staff, and that's how you set up your employee on the app.